If you're a new entrepreneur, the internet is one of the best assets you have. Here's why, and what businesses you can start to make money online in 2022. Welcome to Learn, Inspire, Achieve, where we teach you a new way of thinking and living. Subscribe for the best tips and tricks on personal development, entrepreneurship, and wealth creation. In case you're not up to speed with the past 40 years, we as a society are becoming more and more dependent on the internet. As much as we'd not like to admit it, most of our time is spent using the internet for our basic needs, and with Miss Rona's sudden appearance in 2019, our dependence on the internet has only gone up. Some may look at this dependence as a growing issue, which it can be, but many others look at this as a means of growth. Just look at your average millionaire and billionaire who have used the internet and technology to change the world. As cliché as it sounds, if they can do it, why the heck can't you? For the up-and-coming entrepreneur, the internet is one of the best assets they can have. The world is more online right now than it's ever been, and this is even after it started opening back up. Right now is the best time to leverage the crap out of your computers and phones. With all of that being said, here are 7 businesses that can make you money online in 2022. Number 1, become a freelancer. Freelancing has skyrocketed the past couple of years and has become an actual business model. Essentially, a freelancer is a person who is self-employed and who does contracted work for another person or business entity. For example, a freelancer can be a voiceover artist, a website designer, or even a writer. If you have any sort of skill that you can use to provide value to others, then use it through freelancing. Some great websites to help find clients include Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and LinkedIn. The truth is that freelancing can be highly competitive depending on your area of work, but it's worth it to build a portfolio and put in the extra effort. Freelancers in the top percentile have shown to make 6 figures a year. The key here is to provide a high-value service to your clients. Just starting out in freelancing isn't easy, and like every other business, it takes time, but it's not impossible to build a profitable business through it. Number 2, create online courses. If you have a specific skill or set of skill sets that you practice daily and understand, you can create an online course around them. Online courses are a great way to make money online, and the best part is you can make them for little to no money. The benefit of creating online courses is that they're easy to make, but it can take some time to complete. This type of online business is great for someone who has a skill that is hard to learn by oneself and that is also highly valuable. The amount of money you make has many factors such as the demand for your skill, the quality of your courses, and the websites and systems you use to create and promote your courses. Some great websites you can use to create and sell your courses are Skillshare.com, Teachable.com, and Udemy.com. Keep in mind this kind of business isn't just something you can start selling immediately. This takes a lot of studying, researching, and creating. Number 3, dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular online businesses you can start today. If you're not sure what dropshipping is, it's a business model in which a seller creates a website and sells a product that they do not keep in stock themselves. A customer will buy a product off of their website, and then the order will be sent to the manufacturer so that they can directly send the product to the customer. Because dropshipping is so popular, it's hard to find winning products that aren't highly saturated, and it takes major time and effort upfront to set up. However, dropshipping is a legit business, and if you really take your time to research, find suppliers, set up your stores, and promote, you can see real money from it. Successful dropshipping stores have been seen to make $50,000 to $5,000 a day. I believe the best website to use to build your dropshipping store is Shopify.com. It costs $29 a month to use, but it's the best you're going to find. Number 4, become a YouTuber. YouTube has been around for almost 2 decades, and has quickly become a great way to make money online. The great thing about YouTube is that there are many ways to make money such as ad revenue, brand sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing, which we will be talking about soon. The coolest thing about YouTube is that there is a huge audience waiting to get content from you. If you're a gamer, start a gaming channel. If you're into finance, start a finance channel. If you're a professional deep sea diver, make a channel about that because there's an audience for everything on YouTube. And yes, some niches are more saturated than others, but that's why it's important to stand out. Also, you can use YouTube to promote other aspects of your business like social media accounts, online courses, or a Discord account. It does take some time to get monetized on YouTube, but once you are, you can start racking in ad revenue and venture into affiliate marketing. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing in and of itself is a business. If you've got any social media accounts, a blog, or a YouTube channel, you can make money from affiliate marketing. Essentially, affiliate marketing is when you leave a link to a product in the description box of any of your social media posts and viewers can click on that link to buy the product. When the viewer buys the product or buys something else under your link, you will get paid a portion of that money. Of course, you're not making millions every week, but if you have a large following who trusts you, you're very likely to make some good money from your affiliate links. Number 6. Write an ebook. If you've got a passion for writing and you want your story to be heard, self-publishing an ebook is a great way to go. Ebooks have been on the rise the past decade, and people love being able to click a button to read a book. Like a lot of these online businesses, writing an ebook will take time, but once you're done, all you have to do is promote the heck out of it and let the money roll in. There are a lot of self-publishing systems out there that you can use, but I recommend Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing because Amazon as a company is the king of book selling, and they are a trustworthy business. Also, getting your ebook on the market is quick and easy, taking upwards of 2 days. Number 7. Flip and sell. Flipping and selling items is one of the oldest businesses on this list. From flipping and selling houses to clothes to cars, there is an endless amount of products you can use to start your business. But since we are talking about online businesses today, there are even more things you can flip and sell. These include social media accounts, websites, apps, phones, books, jewelry, and furniture. It used to be really hard to sell items without the use of the internet, however it's as easy as the click of a button nowadays. Depending on what you're flipping, you can make a good couple hundred per flip. The only downside to this is that there are also millions of other things being flipped and sold on the internet, and it can still take a while to sell. Like every other online business, all of these online businesses take a lot of time and effort to start and run, but that is the beauty of business in general. To build something from nothing. If you're a new entrepreneur, give one of the businesses a try. Even if you fail, you learn something that will help you win later on. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed this and found some value from it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you haven't already. We post content on entrepreneurship, wealth creation, and personal development twice a week, so you don't want to miss out. I will see you in the next video.